How to disable auto download in WhatsApp. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're also annoyed with automatic download of the photos or videos from WhatsApp chats and which you do not like to keep, so you can basically disable such settings on WhatsApp by simply heading over to your WhatsApp and make sure you're currently logged into your account. Now just tap on this three dot icon at the top right corner, and once you tap on this three dot icon at the top right corner, simply select settings. And once you select settings, just scroll down until you see the option that is storage and data, and just tap on that. And once you tap on that, just scroll down and under this media auto download section, just click on any one of these options in which all of this media has been checked. So as you can see, currently when using my mobile data, nothing has been checked, so it basically doesn't download anything. And when roaming, nothing has been checked, so make sure nothing is checked even when you are using Wi-Fi. And just like that, click on OK, and therefore you will no longer have any photos or videos or files being automatically downloaded from your WhatsApp onto your gallery. So that's it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.